Alright, these are going to be the Olympic Tower elevators here at the Hyatt Regency Bellevue, Washington. Series 4. Oh, going up.
Thirteenth floor. Going up.
I just like elevators.
19th floor. Going down.
I'm gonna get a cab view now since I have them to myself. Pretty nice. Hello. Series 4 fixtures.
First floor. Going up.
Alright, let's see how high we can go. Well, we're going somewhere. I'm guessing we're just parking. We'll get off on 2. These are pretty nice. Gotta be probably mid to late 2000s, I would say.
Second floor.
And here we are on 2.
Going up.
Well, there it goes. That will be it.